73 cube plus 34 cube upon 73 cube plus 39 cube. How do you solve this without using calculator? So we will use here some basic algebra and some basic formulas of algebra. 73 here, if you focus on this number, this 73, it is equal to 34 plus 39, the two other numbers that given here. So 73 we can write it as 34 plus 39, then whole cube plus 34 cube upon again 73 cube as 34 plus 39 whole cube plus 39 cube. Now let's consider 34 is equal to m and 39 is equal to n. So in that case we have m plus n whole cube plus m cube upon m plus n whole cube plus n cube. Now again consider m plus n here is x and m here is y for the numerator. Then it is in the form of x cube plus y cube, and this we can expand as x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. So we can expand it as m plus n plus m, then times m plus n whole square minus m plus n times m plus m square, then upon m plus n, then times m plus n whole square minus m plus n times n plus n square, or m plus m is 2m plus n, then times m plus n whole square will be m square plus n square plus 2mn minus this m square times m is m square and minus mn, then plus m square upon 2n plus m, then m square plus n square plus 2mn minus mn minus n square plus n square. Now cancel the plus m square and minus m square. Here minus n square and plus n square gets cancelled. Now we have 2m plus n, then m square plus n square plus 2mn minus mn is plus mn upon 2n plus m, then times m square plus n square plus 2mn minus mn is plus mn. Now these two are like factors, so we can cancel them out. So we have 2m plus n upon 2n plus m. Now let's put the values of m and n. So m is 34, so 2 times 34 plus n is 39 upon 2 times 39 plus 34. 2 times 34 is 68 plus 39, and 2 times 39 is 78 plus 34. So it is equal to 107 upon 112. So this is our answer without calculator. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.